Rhiannon.
And I'm Anna Catherine. Welcome back to Knowledge for College, a series where we teach you what you need to know about your upcoming career here at the University of Mobile.
Starting college can feel like a lot. New places, new faces, and a whole lot of questions. But don't worry, we've got you. Today we're sharing some tips to help you start strong and feel right at home at the University of Mobile from day one.
I like to start my day here at Common Grounds in Bedsole Commons, where they have the best coffee on campus. We also have a workout facility for our students, as well as the U, our on-campus merch store, where you can get all of your UM clothing, as well as gifts for family and friends. Upstairs is the Student Center and the library. The comfy couches here are perfect for tackling assignments or getting together with friends. You'll also find both quiet spaces and group study rooms so that you can find the study vibe that works best for you.
Speaking of studying, here are a few basic tips for our first week of college. First things first, get some rest. Don't spend all your nights on TikTok, unless you're watching Tiny Mike Tuesdays to get a behind-the-scenes look at student life at UM.
Second, read the class syllabus before your first day of class. This will give you a clear understanding of what to expect and how to plan your semester effectively.
And finally, get involved. Campus events allows you to make the most of your time here from start to finish. Ram Rush starts on move-in day and you'll have lots of opportunities to make friends before classes even start.
Remember, college isn't just about classes. It's about connection, community, and stepping into your calling.
You've got this. We're cheering you on every step of the way.
See you on campus!